Hi, what's your name?
Krish,
In which class you are right now?
I'm in 12th.
Okay, so what are the major takeaways?
Whatever the doubts I have, I've clarified all my doubts, and I've got a bigger view of what to do. What courses to do, what entrance exam I have to do. So I've got a clearance, but I think I need a few more offline sessions. Then I'll be okay with it.
Some additional things you want to have?
I know it's perfect. Okay. So
Hi, I'm Satvik Mendiratna.
In which class you are?
I'm in 11th grade.
Okay, so what are your major takeaways from this session?
So when I was coming into this session, I was quite clear about what subjects I've taken in my 11th grade, but I wasn't clear what I want to do in my life and what should I taken up. While I'm still a little bit unclear, but I've gotten a broad idea of what are the opportunities in the sector where I am aiming. And as Mr. John said, there are a lot of opportunities where you can dive in and you can mix courses and where to go in abroad. So I've had a great idea. It was a great session.
And anything additional you want to add?
Yeah, basically there was a lot of discussions as there was only 2 hours, but I would like to have a little bit more details on what colleges can be there for the specific streams, as Mr. John was naming it out, but it was not on the slideshow. There was just the careers that you can become a pilot. While I also wanted to know, what are the colleges where I can go for becoming a pilot and what, just go in a little bit of detail. But overall, the session was pretty good.
All right, thank you. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Sumar Kaur.
In which class you are right now?
I'm in 12th standard.
And what are your major takeaways from this session?
It was actually very helpful. I was a bit confused from the starting of this session, but after your guidance from this whole company, I'm feeling very secure, and I want to be a part of this family.
Great, great. And anything additional you wanted from our side?
Yes, actually, I was planning to study abroad, so I wanted a clear path from the starting of the session, which I actually received from the counselors. So yeah,
And would you recommend your friends or family?
definitely.
Thank you so much. Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
Anmol Verma.
In which class you are?
Currently, I just recently passed 12th.
So, what are your major takeaways from this session?
First of all, I'm from Patna. I come especially for the session here in Delhi, and I'm pretty proud of it. And I'm actually really thankful and all of this happened. And there are many sectors that I did not know about, and I've come here and my eyes all like really opened and everything. So those things mattered a lot, and they helped me a lot.
All right, and anything additional you wanted to have in this session, or
One thing that can happen is opening up online sessions, because like as people, some people, the reach is getting growing, and the people who are far away, like I came here from Patna, and we have a train again. So if they could conduct online sessions, that would be really really helpful. And overall, the session was like, I really recommend people coming here and getting their doubts cleared, because it really helps a lot.
all right, thank you so much.